Hey guys, it's been a while, hasn't it? My cousin brought me back this coffee from Vietnam and it is perfection. So it turns out that doing a PhD, working full-time, 9 to 5, and being a content creator is actually really time consuming. But I enjoy all of it so much, and it's obviously, with that amount of stuff on, it takes a few years to find the right balance. And YouTube is something I'm really passionate about. I want to create videos that are meaningful, exciting, and haven't really been done before. So that also leads to a lot of overthinking from me, and maybe also I put a lot of time into editing and yeah, just basically wanting to create the perfect video, which I don't necessarily think I need to do. There are definitely different types of videos I want to create, but in terms of sharing my adventures with you guys, I think the raw on the fly videos is enough to be able to capture the, like, these places are amazing in themselves, the adventure and what I want to create out of it tells a story in itself. So let's try this YouTube thing again. So today I am so excited to be bringing this video to you. Over the past couple of years, I've realised that caving is something I am actually really interested in. And when I read about it or I go to these places, I cannot describe the feeling I get thinking about it or being there. It is such a magical feeling. It makes me feel alive. And yeah, it's just that feeling of like the unknown. Like, these are the kind of adventures that very rarely, well, I say these ones, the one I'm about to show you is not a rarity. But yeah, these kind of adventures, the big ones, like the deep caves, like they're rare. Like, not a lot of people go to these places, and that's what excites me. Like, who knows what you're gonna find? And yeah, just the feeling of being somewhere that's like so secluded and potentially rather dangerous and risky. We love that. I love that. So yeah, today I am bringing you a caving adventure. This is not an intense, no one's ever been there before cave system. People have definitely been there before regularly. You can go and join a caving group and go and have a look around this place. So yeah, I'm just super excited to show you the most exciting thing about this cave system. Okay, this is what really got me going, got me so excited to go. It has an underground waterfall. This is something I've never seen before, never come across, and I'm unbelievably excited about. Like, just thinking back to it now, what a moment this was. So today I'll be sharing our adventures of going and visiting an underground waterfall and all the other bits surrounding this. This is not just the only amazing thing that I saw. There was, you'll see for yourself, a huge cavern, and yeah. I've got the bug for sure, and I'm so excited to share more of these adventures with you. Of course, the lighting isn't great in places. This is me just taking my phone and exploring these incredible places, and of course I will work on the technical side of things and the lighting and all of that as time goes on and I learn more. But you can definitely get the idea, you can see everything in this video, and yeah. I think I just really want to get people excited about these adventures and to actually see the beauty that the world has on offer. And to also, you girls out there, you women, these kind of adventures, absolutely not just for men. And I stand by that 100%. These are definitely kind of adventures that women need to go on. If you are excited about that, the thought of these adventures, and you're a woman, but you're like me, I've definitely felt like I don't fit in. It's not a place for a woman. What absolute crap. Like, that is just what society has taught us. It's not true. You belong there just as much as anybody else. The outdoors is absolutely for everybody. Oh my god, I'm dying. Are we back? Are we good? Yes. Human beings are nature. We belong in nature. It's who we are. So don't let anybody tell you you can't do it. Like, it's literally where we come from. It's our home, it's everybody's home, it's the one place everybody can be without judgment. And yeah, so over the past however long it's been since I last put up a video for you guys, I have also met somebody, and he will be featuring in this video. My boyfriend Kev is being the assistant videographer, photographer, and just all-round amazing adventure buddy in this video. So yeah, he is he's not used to being on camera, and I am often shoving the phone in his face to try and get him on video, but I think we'll ease him into it a little bit more perhaps. So yeah, it's just us two showing you this absolutely amazing cave system. So I actually did a field sketch of this cave system, and I'm going to grab it for you. I'm not sure if the video will actually flip it around. I'm sorry if it does. I'll try and sort it out. Probably won't be able to. But I'll grab that and show it you now, just so you get an idea of the sort of layout of the cave system. Yeah. Put my coffee down. You know, creating these YouTube... Oh, bit wobbly, sorry guys. Creating these YouTube backdrops are great until you're literally sitting on a sideboard with the houseplants around you, just to make the aesthetic real. But yeah, this is the field sketch that I created. I've got a mirror back there. I'm trying to see if I'm... Okay, I have got this in the video. So, very rough and ready, please do not judge. So this is the main cabin here that we come into. This is the moment when I walked into that cabin, I was like, oh my god, like this is real. This feels like something out of a film. And along the bottom was a rushing river, like literally underground, and a mini waterfall at the back. And then yeah, once entering this system, we're in here and we go, which way? Right towards the underground waterfall. And then you can go left and just do a little bit of exploration around this area, but it's just sort of like the exit for the river. In the actual valley outside, you can see that there's a river like in the centre of the valley, and I'm pretty sure that's where this actually ends up after it's been through this amazing system. We actually have the exposed waterfall at the top as well, which we also do explore in this video. So you could just see like the whole journey of this river from the waterfall, underground waterfall, and the underground river as well. So it's really fun. And I'm just gonna stop chatting now because I always do this. I talk too much, which means I have to edit too much, which is the most frustrating thing. I am also, if there's anything in this video gear-wise or aesthetic-wise that you think, oh, where's that from? I will be putting a list of anything in this video that I think people will be interested in. I'll be putting a link to where you can get it from. One more thing, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you that have subscribed to my channel and are still here, no matter how sporadic my videos are. I am always thinking of new videos, so hopefully we can get a balance and we can get more out. But yeah, thank you so much, and if you are new here, subscribe. I post videos occasionally of all things adventure, exploration, and yeah, all that fun stuff. Saying that, it would be great to hear from you guys what you would want to see more videos of. If you just pop in the comments, like in terms of like travel, lifestyle, and adventure, what is it that gets you excited? What is it that you want to see more of from me? Is it scuba diving? Is it mountains? Is it caving? Do you want to see more, yeah, travel, daily sort of research, conferences, whatever? So with that, let's get on to the video. So we have arrived and just made it through this really muddy field, and there's just mud everywhere. I think I might just sink into it and die at this rate, but you know, makes an adventure. I'm currently looking for the entrance to this cave. It's a popular cave, lots of people have been, but we're just gonna have a little look. So now we just need to look around and try and find the entrance, which is really cool. I'm with Kev. It's hiding somewhere. Oh, is this the entrance? Found it. How cool. Kev? You got in without me? Oh my god, it's basically a lake down there. Oh my god. Where are you? Great teamwork. And there is actually another one here. Is that a hole? I don't think it's a hole. No, it's not. He's fully left me. Oh, he's down there. Did you go in without me? Anyway, here we go. Can you hear that sound? It sounds like a waterfall. So, on my little research, when I was researching this place, it did say that one of the caverns has a waterfall in it. Oh, it's just so sick. The whole thing is just so cool. But, come with me guys, we're going in. It's about to get really dark. I need to get my head torch out. It's in my bag, I do have one. Oh my god. So we've just come out for a little break. We're trying to find where the waterfall's actually being formed, like coming into the cave. That was so sick, like one of the best things I've ever seen. So we're gonna go back in and film it. There are actually like 2 other people down there now that arrived, which I'm kind of glad because they lit up the cabin a little bit so I could film it, because our lights aren't too strong. We're gonna get some more gear after this, I think, some like brighter head torches, and Kev's got a helmet visor. So yeah, gonna head up that way, I think we need to go that way, by the way. So you could just see another waterfall. This is so awkward, I can't point and show you. You can kind of see it. So we're gonna go see that.
the top cabin, and then the waterfall is over that way, and it's really loud, but I just thought I would show you, and we're going to get some little videos and you'll get to see it. Where are we going?